my son. Stealing the cable TV so I could watch Monday Night Football.
Is that your car in the driveway?
Yeah.
When's the last time you drove it?
When I went to vote for Obama.
Have you lent anybody your car recently?
It's 5 years ago is recent.
No. It's not.
This is not about the cable TV.
No way.